Join me as I dive deep into a Kulr stock analysis and challenge myself to predict its next big move. Kulr technology is on the radar of many investors, and for good reason. As a leading player in the lithium battery technology sector, the company is poised to capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. With the electric vehicle market expected to continue its upward trend, Kulr stock has become a hot topic among investors. Kulr has faced its fair share of challenges in recent times. Market fluctuations have taken a toll on the stock's performance, and increased competition in the lithium battery space has added to the uncertainty. Furthermore, recent controversies surrounding the company's production capacity have led to a decline in investor confidence. These setbacks have raised concerns about the company's ability to meet its growth targets and have put a damper on the stock's momentum. Additionally, the ongoing pandemic has disrupted global supply chains, further exacerbating the challenges faced by Kulr. The company's reliance on a limited number of suppliers has made it vulnerable to these disruptions, which has had a ripple effect on its bottom line. In addition to these challenges, Kulr has also been struggling to improve its manufacturing efficiency. The high cost of production has eaten into the company's profit margins, making it difficult for it to compete with other players in the market. This has led to a decline in the stock's value, as investors have become increasingly skeptical about the company's ability to turn a profit. Another challenge facing Kulr is the growing threat of new entrants in the market. As the demand for lithium batteries continues to grow, new companies are entering the fray, increasing competition and making it harder for Kulr to maintain its market share. Kulr's financial health has been a subject of concern for many investors. The company's recent earnings reports have been a mixed bag, with some quarters showing impressive growth, while others have been marked by decline. This volatility has made it difficult for investors to get a clear sense of the company's direction. Furthermore, the company's high debt-to-equity ratio has raised concerns about its ability to meet its financial obligations. Another area of concern is the company's cash flow management. Kulr has been struggling to generate consistent cash flows, which has made it difficult for the company to invest in growth initiatives. Despite these challenges, there are some positive trends that investors should be aware of. The industry as a whole is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, driven by the increasing adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy sources. This growth is expected to benefit Kulr, as the company is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Furthermore, the company's recent investments in research and development are expected to pay off in the long run, as it looks to improve its manufacturing efficiency and reduce costs. Kulr's partnership with leading automotive companies is also expected to drive growth, as it looks to expand its presence in the electric vehicle market. One critical analysis that I want to share with you is that Kulr's stock is undervalued at its current price. The company's recent struggles have led to a decline in its stock value, but I believe that this presents a buying opportunity for investors. With the industry expected to grow rapidly in the coming years, I expect Kulr's stock to follow suit. Furthermore, the company's recent investments in research and development are expected to drive innovation and reduce costs, making it more competitive in the market. Another key insight is that Kulr's management team has a proven track record of driving growth and navigating challenging market conditions. I expect them to make the necessary adjustments to get the company back on track. Another key prediction I want to make is that Kulr's stock is expected to break out of its current range in the coming months. The company's recent quarterly earnings report showed signs of improvement, and I expect this trend to continue. As the industry continues to grow, I expect Kulr's stock to follow suit, driven by increasing demand for its products. Furthermore, the company's recent partnerships with leading automotive companies are expected to drive growth, as it looks to expand its presence in the electric vehicle market. In conclusion, Kulr's stock presents both risks and opportunities for investors. While the company faces challenges in the form of market fluctuations, competition, and production capacity, it also has a lot of potential for growth. With the industry expected to grow rapidly in the coming years, I expect Kulr's stock to follow suit. However, investors should be cautious and do their own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more financial analysis and stock market insights. And if you want to check out more content like this, be sure to watch my previous video on stock trends.